Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the mini Rubik's Cube. This cube was about $9 on Amazon.com. The dimensions of this cube are 1.905 centimeters, as opposed to regular Rubik's Cube, which is 57 centimeters. As you would expect, the internals of this cube are exactly the same as a regular Rubik's Cube, just shrunk down. This cube turns awfully, and I wouldn't recommend it unless you're a collector. Here's a solve sped up to 4 times the original speed. Overall, this cube is fun to have around and in your collection, but it's not a good cube for solving. Thanks for watching, and as always, leave a like, share this video, and subscribe.